to say what any of this means. I have been sleepwalking since I was 14. Now as I write my song, I retrace my steps. Honestly, it's easier to let myself forget. Still I check my vital signs. Choked up I realize I've been less than half myself for more than half my life. Wake up, fall in love again, wage war on gravity. There's so much worth fighting for. You'll see another domino falls. Either way, it looks like empathy to understand all sides, but I'm just trying to find myself through someone else's eyes. So show me what to do to restart this heart of mine. How do I forgive myself for losing so much time? Wake up, roll up your sleeves. There's a chain reaction in your heart, muscle memory, remembering who you are. Stand up and fall in love again and again and again. Wage war. There's so much worth fighting for. You'll see another domino falls, and another domino falls. A little at a time, I feel more alive. I'll let the scale tip and feel all of it. It's uncomfortable but right. And we were born to try to see each other through, to know and love ourselves and others well. It's the most difficult and meaningful.